is up, you guys? It is Parker here with Deco Exchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
All right, so I am using a wood burner and a piece of glass. We're gonna cut our mesh into 10-inch squares. So I'm measuring out to the 25-inch mark, and I'm gonna cut on the 15-inch mark. And I'm gonna cut all of this yellow. For the poly burlap sunflower, we do use a wood burner because it helps seal that mesh a little bit. So you can use floral wire, paper clips, whatever you have available. So for me, I just grabbed a piece of floral wire and I cut two pieces about 2.5 inches. And I'm gonna fold those in half. Then I'm going to take a pipe cleaner and I'm going to put it right across the center. And I'm going to use these two little things like so. Okay. Y'all, then I'm going to take my hot glue and I'm going to put a whole lot of hot glue over that whole section. Then I'm going to use something other than my finger to push that little piece of floral wire down flat. Okay, y'all, then I'm going to use a little piece of scrap ribbon and I'm going to put it right on top of there. And I'm going to push that down into the glue. Once again, not touching it. Add a little bit more. All right, now I'm just gonna set this off to the side until we need it. So I'm gonna do green petals all the way around the outside. So we're gonna need 16 pieces of the green. All right. So we're going to need 16 of the green at 10. So get your zip tie. All right, y'all, now we're going to take our zip ties, and if your zip tie has a small enough head, you can feed them from the back. However, these do not, so we're going to feed it through the front and then come back through the top. Right, and we're going to put one of these in all of these outside holes. All right, so y'all, as I was putting those in, I should have closed them. Now, whenever you do it, we're gonna close our zip ties just a little bit. Now, don't make these too tight. Because we gotta get our mesh in there. All right. Y'all, now we're going to take our green. We're going to fold it flat I just do it where the curls pop up. Okay, then we're going to fold it corner to corner. Then we are going to take it and just ruffle our edges on both sides so we get a nice little petal. All right. Then we're going to add the petals to all of the zip ties that we just added. All right. Now use your finger and put about one finger lift there. And give it a good tug. After you tug it, cut it off. And we're going to go all the way around. All right, so now we're going to load our second row of holes, and I'm just going to put zip ties in the holes that are close together. Sharing is caring, but I don't like to share, so no shared holes for me. All right, now we're going to add these petals right in here. So now you'll see like the two holes are here. So the next petal is going to sit right in between these. All right, so let's get our next 8 loaded. So let's get our 8 petals. Fold it tip to tip. Y'all, now we're gonna go to the center. On the center, we're gonna put what the heck? We're gonna put zip ties in the 2 holes that are supposed to be there and the shared holes. So in the very center, we're gonna have 8 petals here too. So on the very outside, we had 16, then we had 8, then we had 8, and we're gonna have 8 again. Now it gets a little tight in the center. Gonna just trim that down. Now I am gonna do every other one first, then I'm gonna come back and do the middle ones. Why? I don't know. That's what Mel told me to do, and that's just what I do. Y'all, now we're gonna go back into those 4 that we skipped. All right, so y'all, now we're gonna take our flower center that we did earlier, and we're gonna just weave it through those 2 holes right there. All right, we're gonna push this down nice and tight. We're gonna get it nice and twisted. All right, I'm gonna pull these center petals up just a little bit. All right, so finished. We are at 24 by 24, and it will be about 4 inches deep. All right, you guys have a good night. Thanks for hanging out, and you can go get some supplies at decoexchange.com. Bye, y'all.